is that they are not treating all parties equally.
We got it. आगे बढ़ते हैं.
So ये मेरा कम से कम point note फरमाइएगा.
Discriminatory treatment.
This party not equally and in a discriminatory manner. One of the examples is that one of the political parties has not held intra-party election, has been given time till May to hold it, and they have also been given election symbol. Why not the same treatment to us?
Noted. As a matter of interest, are you contesting elections this time? आप इलेक्शन लड़ रहे हैं? नहीं आप जानते हैं?
नहीं मैं तो नहीं लड़ रहा, लेकिन मेरा पर्सनली लड़ने के इसमें कोई
नहीं मैं ऐसे पूछ रहा हूँ.
I'm too old to do that physical exercise.
Because the last one you contested, that's why I wanted to.
मैं एक दफा contest किया है, and that was stolen from me. I had won that.
No ऐसे पूछ रहे हैं आपसे.
थोड़ी वो बात है, मैं इसीलिए बात वो अपनी पर्सनल ये नहीं बात करता. मैं चल रहा हूँ. Next submission. The way the intra-party elections, they have interpreted as if it is a mandatory provision. It is there in the Election Act, but
covered this ground.
It is not. My submission is not a mandatory provision. On this, I rely on two judgments already relied upon by Mr. Ali Zafar.
ये कवर हो चुका है ना ग्राउंड. इंटर पार्टी इलेक्शन वो उन्होंने भी ये बात की है. Not mandatory. जी.
That provision is not a mandatory provision, and a party cannot be made to suffer or made to be thrown out of election process on that account. This Article 17 is the one that will prevail over any provision of the ordinary law.
Correct.
So therefore, I am relying on both the judgments which have been elaborately read out before your Lordship. PLD 1989, Supreme Court 66. Benazir Bhutto's case. Then the other is PLD 1993, Supreme Court 473, Mia Nawaz Sharif's case. Yesterday, during the course of argument, that before the Peshawar High Court, we did not seek declaration that we have held the elections correctly in a valid manner. My submission is, this is one of the objections they have taken. My submission is my petition under Article 199 is not with regard to seeking a declaration. It is with regard to playing before the court that we have held the elections, and the EC's interference is something which may be declared as without lawful authority of no legal effect. In this regard, I'll read Article 199. What do we seek in certiorari? So this is Article 199, 1B, 1A,
तो आपने मांगा है ना, आपने कहा इम्प्यून जजमेंट को डिक्लेयर करें इलीगल. ईसीपी के जजमेंट को या ऑर्डर को आपने डिक्लेरेशन तो सीख की है पेशावर हाई कोर्ट से कि इसको इलीगल डिक्लेयर कर शुरू. तो डिक्लेरेशन तो मांगा है आपने. आप कह रहे हैं हमने डिक्लेरेशन नहीं मांगा.
जी हाँ सर, it's a settled law that yes, we seek declaration that their act is.
What is the point? What is the 199 point?
जी. Point ये है there. I'm reading Article 199. Subject to the Constitution, the High Court may, if it is satisfied that no other adequate remedy is provided by law, A, on the application of any aggrieved party, make an order इसमें clause 2, declaring that any act done or proceedings taken within the territorial jurisdiction of the court by a person performing functions in connection with the affairs of the federation, a province and a local authority has been done or taken of authority and of no legal effect. I'm seeking that declaration, not a declaration that my elections are valid. They are valid, I presume, and we say their interference is without lawful authority and of no legal effect. So therefore, they are saying that they should have sought declaration from ECP that my...
अगर आप strict sense में जाएंगे तो you run into trouble. अब 2 में देखें, declaring that any act done or proceeding taken within the territorial jurisdiction of the court. Now ये तो आप तस्लीम करते हैं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने ऑर्डर पास कर दिया इस्लामाबाद में. It's not the territorial jurisdiction of the court. ये अगर हम strict sense में जाएंगे ना तो it will cut both ways. By a person performing functions in connection with the affairs of the federation. They'll say we don't perform functions with the federation, we perform constitutional functions.
Yes.
Or a province. They'll say we don't do this either. We don't do local government functions. तो ये अगर हम ऐसे interpretation में जाएंगे तो if we go to the strict language, they may come up and say High Court has no jurisdiction on territorial ground and on grounds that we're not doing any of these things. We are doing elections.
Is a body functioning in all the provinces.
Correct.
And the federation.
But they can declaring that any act or proceeding taken within the territory. अगर हम stricto sense में जा रहे हैं ना तो इसमें आपका फायदा मुझे नहीं नजर आएगा क्या है? इसका how does it help you?
This is only an answer to their objection. Their objection was...
they have conceded. In fact, I was surprised, but Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan conceded. He says, yes, Peshawar High Court has jurisdiction. But having elected to go to Lahore High Court, you could not go to Peshawar. That's what I recollect his argument. I thought he's going to say that he doesn't have a jurisdiction, and he conceded.
This is the ownership impression. Nothing more I have to say about it.